Hey everyone, ever felt buried under a mountain of legal documents, wishing for a smart sidekick to handle the heavy lifting? Today, we're diving into the automated legal document analyzer, AI agent, in Delaverse Playground, your new best friend for faster, smarter contract reviews. This powerhouse AI agent uses AI to scan, analyze, and report on legal docs, spotting risks, checking compliance, and flagging issues before they become headaches. It's perfect for saving time, cutting costs, and boosting accuracy, whether you're a busy lawyer, a startup founder, or managing corporate contracts. Imagine turning hours of tedious reading into quick insights. Getting started is a breeze. Head to your Delaverse Playground, click Create New Project, and name it Automated Legal Document Analyzer. Once saved, you're ready to build. Just drag and drop nodes like building blocks for your AI assistant. Let's break down the magic pieces. Document retrieval. Pull in your legal files from Google Docs or your own file storage. It's like having a digital filing cabinet that feeds everything into the system effortlessly. Smart search and storage. Everything gets organized in a vector store for lightning-fast searches. Think of it as a super-powered index that understands context, not just keywords. AI Analysis Core, the heart of it all. Our AI dives deep, reviewing clauses, assessing risks, and ensuring compliance. You can tweak it for your specific needs, like focusing on certain jurisdictions. Report generation outputs polished reports straight to Google Docs, professional and ready to share. Instant delivery. Send those reports via Telegram to your team so everyone stays in the loop without email overload. Automation trigger. Set it to run on a schedule, like weekly reviews, so analysis happens automatically while you focus on the big picture. Keep an eye on things with easy monitoring. Check logs from the trigger to see when reviews run, spot any hiccups early, and track how much time you're saving. It's all about staying transparent and in control of your AI agent efficiency. The real win? Slash review times by up to 80%. Avoid expensive legal slip-ups and free up your team for high-impact work. For small teams or startups, it's a game changer without needing extra hires. Plus, customizable setups mean tailored value that fits your budget and boosts productivity right away. Want to level up? Test nodes one by one to perfect your setup. Start with sample docs to see the AI in action. Customize instructions for niche areas like IP law or international contracts, and always double-check AI insights with your expertise for that human touch. Pro tip: use clean, organized files for the best results. With the automated legal document analyzer, you're not just reviewing docs, you're protecting your business, ensuring compliance, and working smarter. Jump into Delaverse today, build this AI agent, and transform your legal game. Who's ready to automate and elevate?